Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another video. And as you can see, today we are not on the MT. As I kind of hinted in the last video, I obviously bought a new bike, and as you can see we're out on it today. I picked it up yesterday, and now obviously we're just out filming a video whilst it's not too bad weather. It's getting a bit dark, but at least it's not raining. That's the main thing, really. But yes, so we have a CBR 600 RR. That's what we are replacing the MT with. It is a 2009, but it was registered before the RR9 came out, so this is actually an RR8. So it's non-ABS, and if you look at the forums, people say this is probably one of the better ones ever made. So yes, so as I say, we're just out and about on it today. But to obviously give you a bit of a backstory whilst we're on it, before we can pull over and kind of do a little bit of a walk around for you. It is the Handspree edition, so it's the white and green. Looks very nice. I managed to find quite a good one. This has one owner, or had one owner, sorry, from new. The garage that I bought it from actually sold it to the woman when she bought it in 2009. And as you can see, looking at the dash there, it has done just over 14,000 miles. And obviously this bike is 15-year-old now, so it's obviously quite incredible. It's less than 1,000 miles per year, and there's literally not a mark on it. Can't find any bit of rust, like even stone chips. There's maybe one or two, and that's it, which is obviously unbelievable, really. So yes, the MT will be leaving us this week, hopefully. Yes, I am sad to see it go, because it was my first big bike, and obviously I loved it, but obviously I decided I was planning on upgrading anyway, just probably next year, but basically we've upgraded early instead. It means I can just get on this a couple of times before the winter fully sets in. And yeah, so we'll be sad, but hopefully we can get some good content with the CBR as well. I've always been more into Hondas, just thanks to my dad. So I always wanted a Honda. It was obviously just going to be finding the right one for me was the main thing, really. There's a couple of bits I do need to get for this bike. So number one, obviously you can't see it at home, but when we do a walk around you'll see. I want to get a tank protector on it, just to make sure that there's no scratches getting put on the tank or anything like that. So I did actually find one yesterday and ordered it, which hopefully will be arriving at some point this week. And it's just kind of one of the older HRC ones that Honda used to sell. Got lucky and managed to find one, despite the fact that they have been discontinued now and are no longer available anywhere. And then I also want something for on here, which is just for when like the keys are in and obviously they're flapping around. I don't want them to scratch the top yoke, basically. But trying to find one that looks half decent seems to be very hard, believe it or not. so I'm just continuing that look. But apart from that, I don't really plan on getting anything yet for it. Yeah, it's just going to stay as standard as possible, just how I bought it pretty much. But we'll carry on riding. We'll obviously get to the spot where we do a little walk around and whatnot, and yeah, I'll catch you guys there. So there she is. It's a 2009 CBR 600RR Handspree edition, and it's completely standard apart from these RNG crash bungs and the seat cowl. There is nothing else being done to this bike. It even has a standard exhaust. But the condition of this is absolutely unbelievable, truthfully. There is not a mark on it. But yeah, I mean, there's nothing else to really say. The white and the grey or silver are like a metallic. They do have quite a lot of flake in them, so when the sun hits them, they sparkle like crazy, which is very nice. And obviously the black on it is just, I believe the black is actually, oh no, the black on the fairings is painted, but that is just like a normal gloss black. There's nothing special to that. But yeah, I mean, this is the new bike, I suppose. As I say, I kind of kept it quiet. I know I've posted quite a few times on Instagram about going to see bikes. This is probably the 4th or 5th one I've gone to see. And yeah, obviously I've been looking for the past 2.5 to 3 months, I believe it is now. So I've been looking for a while, but it's obviously one of them where you just want to make sure it's the right bike before you obviously buy it, because this bike here is going to be something that I want to keep for quite a while. I don't want to get rid of this, or at least not anytime soon. And truthfully, my plan is to probably never get rid of it, is to maybe keep it. There's only one other bike, which is actually the exact same bike as this, that I would get rid of it for, and it's just a different edition. It is the Layla edition, which I'll put a photo on screen here. That's the one I originally wanted, but trying to find a good one of them is impossible, I feel. So yeah, obviously it's a totally different kind of style of bike to what we have been riding with the MT, but it is the bike that I wanted. I have ridden one of these before a very, very long time ago on track, so I know it's completely different. But yeah, I mean, there's obviously nothing else to really say. Obviously we'll start doing videos when we can. I know obviously we're into November now, so the weather might not be amazing, but we will obviously give it a try and see if we can get out and get a bit of footage for you guys. So yeah, so this is gonna say they're gonna be the new bike that's on the channel. Let me know what you think, guys. Hopefully you like it. As I say, I've not actually seen one of these in person, so when I seen this, I was very pleasantly surprised at how nice it looks. I wasn't sure about the green, but yeah, actually, as I say, I do very much like it. So yeah, I suppose we'll grab some photos and then we'll start heading back, because I don't want to be out too late. But yeah, so here it is, guys. As I say, let me know what you think. Anything that you think I should do to it. As I say, I'm trying to keep it as standard as possible. I don't want to be going crazy with it, especially when I'm just getting it. But let me know what you guys think I should do to it. And yeah, I hope to see you in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And I will catch you in the next video. Bye bye. Tell me